Yeah, so back with audio. This is better, obviously. We all always prefer to be heard when we speak. Um, yeah, so today we have a in 15 minutes there's a some fellow from India. I don't remember his name, unfortunately. That I will attempt to go through some basic Python. Um, and I don't know. I mean, the thing is, like, he asked me to teach him some programming, and I sort of agreed to that. Although I think like the best, like, if you want to learn programming, you should just learn programming. It's not something that you should, yeah, that you know. I mean, I will see if he's interested, or he's just like for him for fun. So I don't know. I mean, I'll see how it goes. Update. I also published like some of my like I have a very painful way of publishing my wife's website, but I think that will have to wait to get it running better, like with FTP and stuff. Because some time ago I couldn't get FTP to run on that server. Maybe let's just try quickly one. If I can do it, and then I will just write some basic GitHub actions for this project. Um, oh, yeah, moje konto, panel. Oops. Oops. That's login is, I don't remember actually. Which, yeah, okay. Yeah. Yep. Let's see if I can actually figure out the FTP here. So that would be useful. Although like I couldn't, yeah, I've got one FTP here. Still like a, FTP options, show all, edit, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, this the thing is like how to create, how to, yeah, let's see how to connect with FTP server here. Pa, pa, pa. This this would be good to actually understand. But basically today I will be back to my other product. No, I don't need to know that. How to find the login details for my FTP account at home. Okay, oh, that's a good one. Oh, finally. Select someone. So we go here. Yeah, good. That's where I am. Yeah, good. Yeah. Ooh, oh yeah, but I think I've been viewing that the other day. So basically we go here, settings and password. Let's just on the other screen see that password. Okay. Yeah, okay. Where to send it? Oh, okay. So let's, is this like, do you think that's how easy it will be? Yeah, okay. Let me just try in FileZilla. I think I will just do this one. Oh, but this is on different server, yes? So no, let's just change this one to password. Yep, and server details. Where did we have it? Somewhere here. So FTP host. If I manage to do it today like that, I've spent some login. Yeah, connect. Let's see. Oh, please don't tell me that it's gonna be that easy. That other day I was spending many hours to get it set up. Yeah, always trust. Okay. This is embarrassing almost. I just by watching 1 minute video, I just embarrassed myself, I guess. But that's how I can do sometimes, you know. Sometimes I spend many hours trying to get something out there, and then yeah, I next day. But this is why it's good to have breaks in your work. Yeah, let's just have a GitHub. Okay, so let's. I would like to have GitHub action this project to build it, send it to my FTP account. Account. The FTP details are. That's gonna be funny. Host login password. Okay, sorry, stop. Edit password. Yeah, let's see. So I asked it to, although like the password is, obviously I might change it in a minute. No one is gonna hack me. No one is going to hack me, hopefully. Okay, run. Sorry, I'm just doing it on another screen. So because I've put like login and passwords to FTP. So in this case, I will actually try to not to show it to you guys. If I will, I'll have to change the password in a minute. So no one is gonna break into it. I heard some people can have those kind of ideas. Those crazy ideas. So in a couple of minutes, the guy is supposed to show up. Let's see if he's gonna do the thing. He wanted it, obviously, so we'll see. Yeah. Fixing the documentary opening. That's fun, actually. Yeah, so many good movies. Let's not get into that. Just have a post. Create a post. I created a poll this morning. I wonder if anyone is actually. No one. Nobody. Live. Yeah. Then back to by coding my old React project. Yeah, React. Yeah, my own MERN project. Yeah, video connected to this one, obviously. Post. Yeah, okay. I think it wrote something. Let's see what's the one. Although, yeah, password, login. I will obviously have to change some of these details. So, yeah, okay. Let's just commit this to my GitHub. and see if it deploys. Although it should deploy to a specific folder. So that's actually something I will drop it to public folder. Is there like, okay, it's directing public folder. FTP. Yeah, okay, so that's gonna, yeah, public HTML, good. That was a quick one. Let's try to deploy it and see. And then I will do environment variables. Deployment setup. Yep. Okay, push, push, push. This will be for my wife's website, obviously, so that's gonna happen now. Oh, okay, no. Bu, 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 bu. Let's have a poll actually. Okay, how do you feel? How do you should programming with AI? Yeah, okay, let's try this one. Is there like a, how do I publish this poll? Start the poll, yes. I don't know if my GitHub action is built. GitHub and pattern. Where's my wife's actually thing? Is this the one? Yeah, okay, pending. Details, let's see how it's doing. Okay, build. Some errors, but I think they're minor. Yeah, I think there are, I think I will have to look into that stuff. But is this meaning that it's broken? No, it's still building. So yeah, success, good. I think it's gonna, is this like my, is this deployment that will work first time? That would be a surprise because they always take a while. Yeah, okay, let's see. Yeah, let's see if the guy is there. Calendar. Python learning session. I don't even know how to like, yeah, okay, let's see. I actually did like some time ago, like years ago, a video tutorial for some guys. Yeah, I think that's how it's gonna be. And he will show his face, I hope. Yeah, I think first, like, I will ask him to show what he knows. Then we can... that we can try close strong, as it says here. Wow, that's Is this like gonna be first success, like from straight from the start? That would be interesting. Oh, it's actually generating all of that stuff. Like it's generating multiple copies of files, like image files. But that's actually making it quicker. Yep, maybe he's not gonna come. Yeah, well. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm just waiting for the student, let's call him. If he's coming, I invited him. He wanted to join for a session. I don't really know. Like yeah, I've like yeah. And if she's not coming, then fine. And let's just like if not, I'm back to my tasks. That's fine actually. I wanted to actually continue on my project, and it's yeah, it's something I really have to spend like next 2 days over. And also it would be good to finish the other thing as well, like the video that I started a while ago. But yeah, yeah, let's give him like another minute. If he's not coming, then that's fine. That's better maybe. So although like I've got a couple of guys actually asking if they can have yeah, if like I want to actually invite people to actually join me in live streams when they can show their apps. So I'm actually obviously showing how my apps are working, how I'm implementing them. So I would like to have more people joining me, showing their stuff. Yeah. Yeah, no one here. Good. I mean, good, but I don't know. If someone is asking me if they can do it, if I want to teach them, and then I arrange a meeting, and they don't come, that's a pity, obviously. But whatever. That's. Oh, I've got 8 votes on my poll. They seem to be quite spread out. Okay. So like on my live stream, I got like 15 votes. So I will just assume that there are different people on both places. I think I will do this poll again one more time, and then 600. Oh, nice. That's nice. I will do this poll one more time, and if it's and I will see how. I will just combine all the votes into one statistic, basically, into one stat, and then yeah, I think he's not coming. That's fine. Well, that's okay. Oh, good. Okay, so I'm happy that my FTP worked. Really. Actually, like I will have to make sure that it's building properly, because the build takes a while. So this is big one. Now, so now it's deploying. Okay, is it? So create. Oh, so it's create. I thought it's building. Okay. So is this like moving it there or what? Yeah, maybe. And then post setup. Okay, so that's the last step basically. And then after that, I should have it out there. Just play some music, programming music, obviously, as I call it. Yeah. Yeah. So no video tutorials today. The guy asked for it and then didn't come. Talapati didn't come. Okay, that's fine. That's not a problem. I think I'm, you know, it's like one of the things I didn't really want to do too much. I don't really know how to, like, I'm not very patient with people like that. And I do think that learning programming is a bit more personal. So you just like learn it yourself. And, you know, you decide when to and how and what sort of programming and that. Like the kind of stuff we do at school, sometimes it's, yeah, I mean, I don't like it's a greatest way of doing it if you are forced, obviously. Like, you know, I think it, you know, there might be some good teachers and stuff, and but the thing is, like, if you are not interested, you will not want to learn it. So I think that's something that people should gauge for them, like, you know. And yeah, I understand we are forced to go to school when we are kids, sorry, but yeah, that's okay. So yeah, is this like gonna finish today? Like, it's a long build though. Ooh, what's happening? What's happening? Can I do it again? No? Yeah, yeah. Yay! That's some bug on GitHub. Come on, go on. Stop creating. This is a long build. Okay, so I just have to make sure that when I'm posting things... Oh, deployment went. Okay, so now. Full error below. What's this? Can't open file in directory. Can't open that file is a directory. Oh, that's... I don't really get that one. Huh. Looks weird, actually. Okay, that's obviously a work for my AI, because... And I'll do it on another screen again, because I actually have some credentials in the script itself, so I don't want to share that. Okay. I've got this error. So I'm sorry for not showing this stuff. I just... Oh, actually... Yeah, I think that's... yeah, I should say that it's during the build. So I got this error. I don't know. I just copied it to AI. I hope it's gonna... Oh, okay. So maybe it needs... That's a... I hope this is gonna be this fix deploy. Okay, so I thought I will have a deployment from first try. That would be fun. Like, usually, like, even like the most experienced people with DevOps, they always, you know, say that you have to do a couple of tries. And I thought I would have a first one that it's just gonna work flawlessly from the start. So unfortunately, I will probably have to deploy a couple of times and go through the errors. But let's actually go to the other project, because the other project is the sewing pattern market. So that's something I showed, it's more, you know, a couple of times, or pattern market. It was a project that I built many years ago, like I would say 5 or 6 years ago, depending like when I started, and like I continued, and then I kind of revived it at one point, but just like I didn't finish it in the end. So there is like yeah, there's it's a big chunky app actually, if I think of it. It's a bit old in a way, because I'm using, I mean, old, or maybe it's fine. The thing is, like, it's not really necessary always to go for the latest trends. And there's some things that I actually like, and I wouldn't move to the most fashionable stuff those days, you know? So I actually I like this SaaS thing. I like those CSS modules. I think they're good. I think this is a nice way of working with the code. So this is how I structured it. I would have like a card, for example. I would have a component, and then my styles would be alongside. Okay, this is obviously empty here, so, but let's see here maybe. No, nothing here. That's fine, but I would actually make those. Sometimes, obviously, there's no point for that. But yeah, I would make those files, and then I would bring some variables, like global variables that would be used like that. Like, you know, some background colors and stuff. And the index is just here to actually make importing shorter, and this is the main component. So yeah, that's I liked it. I like that kind of structure. I think it's yeah. You can also like stick some mixins here if there are some types for this component. You can use them there. Do I have TypeScript here? No, I don't have TypeScript even. Wow. Oh no, the TSX. Okay, so there's supposed to be some TypeScript. Yeah, maybe not. Okay, maybe here. Is there anything here? Yeah, obviously when I have some props, yeah. When I have properties, there should be. Yeah, well, yeah, I'm sure there will be actually in some places. Dennis. Yeah, okay. Some data. Okay, so I have some tasks to work here. Basically, this is yeah. So as I said, it's actually a big project that I worked on a couple of years ago, and I'm back to it, which makes me actually quite like it makes it fun actually. npm rp np yarn. I think I ran it to yarn start. This start. Yeah. Okay, that's how we start server. Let's have another one. Yarn. Oh no, I have to go to cd frontend yarn start. Yeah, that's an easy one to run. I think I will have to also deploy it to better server, but that's probably something I will have to worry later about. Currently it's on Vercel and it's waking up quite slowly, but that's yeah, I can deal with it later. Okay, let's. I think I have like a board with tasks on ClickUp. Or I mean, I don't think I know that it's here. Log in. So here I have a list of things to work on, and I've actually assigned myself one already. Whoops! Manage patterns broken. Compiled with problems. JS6 tags end. Okay. Something. I think that this manage patterns. Okay. Okay, I will just root. Where is it actually? What's wrong here? Expected close of tag. But no, but that we have a. This looks actually correct to me, but unexpected token. Did you mean? Yeah, maybe. No, I don't think so. Yeah, okay, let's just again this goes to AI. Doesn't feel like something. It feels correct to me, and probably when I wrote it, it was correct as well. Let's go to apps 6, yeah, TSX. So it's actually a line source app. Oh, 132. Okay. Okay, what's broken here? This is closing. Oh yeah, we can see straight away what's broken here. Did I break it? Manage. Private root. Manage profile. Okay, that's the one? I don't know. Yeah, let's just keep it that way. I think that should work. That should work actually. Yeah. Good, okay. From day one. Make sure. Okay, so that's it's live. So I've got like a bunch of tasks actually for this one. But let's see in the meantime, let's see my deployment. It's gonna break. That's for the project that I worked on last few days. This is the one. And this work. Yes, it works. Sometimes I get some problems with SSH, so HTTP doesn't seem to be working correctly. But yeah, this is my wife's page, and like, is this So there's, like yesterday I replaced this with Stripe payments. And she's selling those basically. Very pretty things. Those pretty things. I think she asked me to make this as a pop-up, so I should actually do it. Like here, we have a gallery here. That works pretty nicely. So yeah, with keyboard and stuff. I like this small animation here when you hover over this. It's like dim, dim. And some events. I think this one is incorrect. But if it deploys, and this is my wife obviously, then this is incorrect, this is lies. But I've updated, like if it deploys, it will update that. So let's see. I think that's, yeah, basically it's gonna build those, create those static files, and then once it's done, then it's gonna try to send it to FTP. So I think that last time it took like 9 minutes. So I think we need to wait another 3. And here I've got my board that I will be working on today. And like with this ClickUp, I never remember where to go. Okay, I think it's board, but that's not this one. That's a marketing one. So you've got development, pages. Oh, I mean, maybe we have like full development. Release timeline. Where's board? Here. So this is full development with bugs. That's good. Okay, so I will just do that. And I have on myself, I have a card. I've got 2 more people, or 3 more people actually working on it. Although like some of them are studying and doing other stuff. And we have some designs for this. So now I'll just check if how it works. And this is something I will remove now, so that's not unnecessary. Just go to card DSX. I think that's the one. And here I've got vertically checkout progress. Oh, we have a progress here somewhere. I absolutely don't remember that, to be honest. Let's just see what's actually on the page here. If we go to the card, yeah, that's how it looks now. And yeah, I need to remove this table, basically. UI single line table. Items list. Let's see if this is... Okay, what's the component here? App inner. Okay, let's just see in my components here. What's the name of this thing? Yeah, item list. But this is probably item list as well, is it? So probably not. That's a grid. It's actually something I absolutely hate about React. You get like so much nesting. Okay, so within card, we've got container, okay, table title, grid row. That's the second grid now. Okay, so we are within this item list. So that's the second item list. Although, like, we don't really see what's the... Okay, let's see if within the card component we have item list. That's obviously item list. So we've got 1, 2 favorites. Okay, I don't need favorites now then. Favorites. We remove favorites, favorite selector. I think that's how it's gonna work now. So I think that's my card, which is nice. I think that's how we're gonna work with it. This input, actually, I don't like one thing, but when you click on it, it should clear up. UI input. Do you have like input component? Maybe I should actually just not vibe code this one. Oh, that would be cool. Input. Main input. Price input. Is this like main input thing? Semantic UI. Yeah, this is harder actually when would mean I would have to Google how. Let's see actually what exactly this component is. Although like all inputs should work the same, in my opinion. Okay, so we got input, payment actions. Let's go to payment actions component then. Payment actions. This is a pretty code. I really love it actually. It's such a handsome little thing I wrote a couple of years ago. So we're looking for input here. Input. Where are you? Am I input? Yeah, I do have it. Okay, let's just find another one. So okay, is this input from? Oh, okay, that's semantic UI. So I would have to either is there like a clear action? Let's see actually. Okay, let's just see how semantic UI input works. Do we have input props as action publish? I wonder if it has some sort of like a clear or on change, size, tab index, transparent, type, size. So basically I would have to just create a new one that would be wrapping this input. Yeah, that's that would actually on click it would actually clear it. Yeah, because this one is very basic. Label position, loading, on change. Yeah, probably I would have to connect something on change. That would handle the data. Main input. I also have this main input that takes an icon and takes input and placeholder, obviously. Yeah, so it's I don't know, should I actually rewrite this? It's gonna be a longer thing than I thought. But like that's not on the list. But like I don't really like what's happening here. It should actually clear when I'm tempted to prompt it. I said like on the video, I said I'm gonna be vibe coding, but I'm also tempted to actually rewrite it myself. Inputs. Okay, I do have some sort of main input. So that would be the one that I would use. And I put some light input here. It's actually, this one is not menu input. Okay, I think that main input should work actually. Payment actions. Is there like a placeholder that I'm passing? No, it doesn't seem to be like, I'm not passing any props actually. That sucks. Because that's some sort of search icon. Okay, so that's just like search. Okay, this wasn't the best solution I did, I guess. I should have like an input that is a wrapper for any other inputs. Yeah, let's just do that. Payment actions. Card, screens, some sort of inputs. Okay, let's just have a new one. Let's just copy menu. Okay, let's just have just input. Or basic input. Yeah, let's call it basic input. Maybe that's not the best naming, but I just can't think of anything smarter now. So basic input. Yep. Yeah, that's fine. And this will have a prop called placeholder with some class names. I don't know if I need to actually do. Let's do interface, main input props. That's actually, this is not main. Basic input. Basic input. Oops, no. Yeah, okay. So that's just like how we do it. Yeah, correct. Yep. Okay, basic input. What's the... no, that's not how we do it. Yes? Oh, no. It's here. Yep. Oh, okay. No, don't do it here. Don't do it here. I'm breaking my app. Where's my basic input? Basic input. Okay, I can see that views are going down when I'm starting code myself. Maybe that's a lesson that I shouldn't be doing coding. I should be doing only vibe coding. Basic. And props. Interface. Yeah, okay. Basic input props. Oh, that's a cool. Yeah, okay. That makes sense. Placeholder. Yeah, it's already. Okay, so I'm vibe coding again because it's just telling me what to do. I don't need that. Dziękuję. Coffee. I need that actually. Coffee I need. So that's my lovely wife with a coffee for me, and this should be actually like a input from semantic UI. Yes, import that, and on click. Ooh. So I have on change, and that's actually something I will ask AI to do, because I can't like I would have to. No. Or maybe not. Sorry, some chocolate and coffee. That's a nice mix. From day one, okay? Like how many votes? Okay, so like 2 people already said that they just do AI programming from day one. I would do basics first, to be honest. I think that makes sense to learn at least some basics, and then you at least know what's going on. Like, let's say I have I want to spend 100 hours actually learning. So that's 100 hours is less than a week of like full-time learning. I mean, it's probably 2/3 of the... So it's like, you know, 4 days basically, or 5 days. So no, it's a month. That's within a month, like 100 hours. You could clock it in, you know, 2 or 3 weeks. Or within a month if you just like spread it nicely. So let's say I have 100 hours to actually learn Python. I'll do first 10 hours of video tutorials, or 5 to 10 hours, I think. Like video tutorials, because I prefer video tutorials, or read documentation if you like that way. And then I would do vibe coding myself. So basics, and then if I would have 10 or 15 hours, I would do at least 3 hours of learning initially, and then maybe vibe coding. But also, like, I will, you know, it's actually quite enjoyable. Even now, I'm actually trying to write my own thing here, and it's pretty cool, I think. Menu input, okay. Why? Okay, do I need this stuff? Let's just remove this for now. Later I will probably do something with that. Okay, just a quick one. Yeah, okay. Const on input change. Yeah, okay, it's telling me to do that, obviously. So let's do this. Yes, but like what I want to do first is... Oh, no, it's on initial quick click. Huh. Is there an on click action? On click? Yeah, okay. That's fine. So I can write it. So this will be actually... No, this was good. props on change. That was good. On click. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do here. And I don't need to stop propagation, do I? I don't think so. And on click, okay, do I? Probably I don't. And then, but then I would have to also store value here. Oh, okay. Oh, they have to like. Is this that nasty? They have to like introduce state here. Okay, I think I'm giving up. Let's just have a in this component. Let's clear input first. Input a placeholder. Holder when user finish clicks on. Basically, this is from the maybe that's my excuse, but this is from outside of the tasks list. I don't want to spend too much time on it, and like sometimes I would spend like an hour or two, and I just wanted to do. Yeah, set placeholder. That's actually what I thought I would have to do. Basically, take a placeholder, keep it in state. Then if not clicked, yeah. And also I forgot. I didn't even think about ref even. I think that should work. So let's just use basic input here. Yep. Do I have class name there? Yeah, okay, let's just pass class name as well. Class name, yes. Do we have class name? Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, let's have it this way. So it's doing like this additional check. That's good. Yeah, I think that should work. Oh, my deployment went down. Okay, it didn't go through again. What's next? Error, can't open the file, is directory. Maybe is a directory. Okay, what's this stuff? Yeah, okay, error occurred, full error below. Yeah, again, like I'm not sure in this case. I wouldn't be able to, I would have to, because I thought it's just like, yeah, let's see. Okay, let's see my other AI. Maybe it will help me, my other AI. Okay, here. I seem to get same error. Error. I forgot E at the beginning. Yeah, guys, if you are actually open, like if you have anything that you are working on and you want to show it, I'm starting like let's call it a podcast where I will be talking about those projects. Huh. Okay, and I already revealed my password. Good. That's a smart move. I will have to change it in a minute. But let's make sure. Okay, let's just make sure it's deployed. Actually, this is not the password I'm using for anything else. So, but please don't try to break into my FTP now because of my stupid hard coding of my passwords. I will obviously change it in a minute. Server dir, local dir, public. Is there like a public locally? What did it do? Okay, server directory. Okay, I updated the workflow to remove the server dir parameters for home hosting. To the root, but files incorrect location. Okay, maybe I will just change it in my FTP setup. Let's just continue. I will change that password in a minute. Yeah, okay, yeah, that's a good password. Good. So I had this, sorry, I will just translate it to English for your convenience, guys. And I have some servers here, that's the second one. And this one, options. Oh, I probably, how would I edit? Show all, edit. Yeah, okay, that's probably public HTML. Yeah, okay. I think that's how, if I log in, it will actually send me straight there. Yeah, I think there is a public HTML. Yes, let's just make sure that I'm actually in the right folder. Option web FTP, public HTML. So you want to drop everything here. So this will have to be replaced. There, or maybe it will just update them. I don't know. I think I will have to delete it first and then, you know, clean it up first. But that's actually something I will do in a minute. Let's just remove that stuff. It's now actually like let's try again this. It should actually move me straight to that subdirectory. Public HTML, no it didn't. Yeah, but it all okay, but want all my files to go to other folder within this FTP. Yeah. I thought actually if I change it, let's just close this and again. FileZilla. Yeah, let's see if now it's gonna log me into the right folder. Go on, go on. No. Okay, I thought if I change it there, it should actually do it directly. Or maybe I didn't save it. Did I save it? Options, show all. Edit. Yes. No, not all. Yeah, it should actually... Yeah, it should just direct me straight to that file, to that folder. So I don't really understand. Don't know. Okay, let's just try to see what AI does. Protocol, FTPS. I don't know what this protocol does. Local directory public. Maybe? Yeah, let's try this. I don't know. Doesn't seem correct, but we'll see. So okay, let's get back to this project. What was this error here? Like my basic input. Class name is missing in the following properties from basic property. But I did that. Class name, no? No, it's here. Maybe it didn't really figure it out yet. No? So I got placeholder, class name, yes. Props, class name. Seems to be here to me. Placeholder is there? Yeah, I do have a placeholder as well. And even value. Missing in the following properties from. Oh, okay, that's actually not working, to be honest, because it's not being passed anywhere. Because obviously you apply discount. Yeah, that's fine. On change, let's just do on change. On change, and not alert, obviously, console log. And that's just. I wonder if it's gonna be value or what. Okay. Yeah, it's not helping me. Value. Yeah, okay, target value. Oh, that's probably how it's gonna be correct. Okay, let's see what value is missing. But I don't have a value. But then it's gonna be driven by this value thing. Or nothing. Yes. And let's have value optional. Yeah, optional value. Yeah, okay, at least it's. Yeah, let's see now. Oh, summary. Let's go to my jobs. Job. Okay, update seems to be building. This takes 10 minutes, so. Although I hope my GitHub, GitHub will not block me. Like, I hope there's no limit, or like the limit is big enough to test it a couple of, for a while. No, good. Although okay, it didn't really do anything. Like, I don't really like color batowe. Let's have the width, full width of the thing. Width 100%. Oh, there's a pay button here. That shouldn't be a pay. Okay. Yeah. I will just sorry, just a second. I've got some message. Okay, yeah. It's my bank. And that's GitHub telling me that the builds were failed. So this one, we'll see. We'll basically have to keep on trying, but that's something I can work during the day. Let's just have this one to basic input. Okay, basic input. Styles. Oops, no, not here. Here. Basic input. It's like actually this was no. Basic input, padding top, width 100%. I think that will do. Nope, didn't work. Okay, so I have my and undefined. I can see that it doesn't see my classes. That's a beauty of not style components, but CSS modules. It has to be this basically. No, still not. I expect it to be full width. So okay, basic input. So here I said, oh, okay. So below this one should be 100%. Yes. No, it's still not. So this input should be 100%. Let's see if that's actually gonna work. That's why we love CSS, don't we? CSS is the greatest thing ever. So we have this. basic input. Oh no, go back. Basic input. Oh, okay. Actually, I think it says CSS, so I can do input here. Can I? Yes. What the? this is huge. Maybe this is too much. Let's see. See how it's gonna look now. This is like it just gave me so much code. And I should have a apply button below. No, it's not working. This is not working, is it? UI input and input. I don't know, like this is... I don't really like how it's... Oh, not this project. Shit, I'm just keep on opening the wrong project. This didn't work, did it? What if I do important here? Just for test for now. We'll see in a minute if this will force anything. No, it doesn't. That's why we all love CSS, don't we? Hey! Data Pagulavi. Pagulavi. Okay. That's an interesting nickname. Why is it that way? Like, can you decipher it for us? Channel activity. Let's see your channel actually. Can we? Go to channel. Oh, no videos. Okay, if you see, I would promote you here, but nothing here. Data Paglu. Okay. I hope you don't mind me promoting you. Yeah. So I'm back to my vibe coding. I mean, I'm okay. I was actually trying to write it myself, and actually maybe I didn't, because this was just 100% suggested by Copilot to me. Yeah, this is funny actually. There was like I think this is how it looked actually. Input again. That's probably not how it, or maybe maybe there should be end here. Does it? I think maybe that's how it worked with SaaS, SCSS. No. Oh, maybe it's okay. Okay, can you style this input to take 100% if we are using... Yeah, okay. That's a hard task. Actually, like it's something that it's not on my list of tasks, so I shouldn't really do it, but it kind of annoys me. So I will try once again. Fluid. Okay, I didn't have like... Oh, thank you, AI. So no CSS is needed, basically. No CSS needed. Good. That's again, this is how you get embarrassed when you try to show your skill. And this will be apply actually, Postosui in Polish. So this will apply discount, pay, card. We have like translations here, languages. Zasto. Oh, okay, so I don't really like my translations here so much. Koszyk. Nav, that's nav, side, card. Apply. Apply. Zastosuj. And that's the same for English. Categories, order, where's my card? I don't like how I applied this. Oh! Apply. I can see that I had some Polish translations here. Check if this translation has Polish values. Yeah, okay. It's just like the good AI. Apply. Apply. Yeah, okay, good. It kind of is found. Polish file contains proper Polish text, like, okay, good, both files have same. Remove from list. From list. Okay, this is twice, okay. Okay, yeah, that's good. Apply. Maybe that should be a toggle actually. Also, when there's another thing with my basic input, when I click away and no value is enter, we should get our place order back. Yeah, okay, that's probably also how it should work. So basic input in is basically what we gonna use on Blur. Good. So let's just use my basic input instead of input now. Let's remove this one. Oh, okay, so I have only one here, but seems to be working better. Yeah, okay. Good. Kod rabatowy. And you click and we click away. That's fine. So we figured we rewrite an entire component. We just wrap like it's as it's called, it's higher order component. So it's adding some extra functionality to the main component. Yeah, okay. So we have our card. I think I like it. For now, this is it. Apply. Maybe this button should be secondary button. Do I have like other buttons as well? Main button, light button. Let's try light button instead. Light button. And let's remove secondary button. Let's see how this one will look. Oh, no. So light button doesn't look. So not light button. What other buttons do I have? I can see I have plenty of buttons, but none of them looks like the one on the social media icon. Secondary button. Primary button. Light button. Okay, light button I don't like. Main button. Let's see if main button will be better. Main button. Okay, it should actually. What main button looks like? I think it looks like this. Yeah, okay, let's just center it, and that's gonna be good. Where's my main button? Center. Class name, discount row, with. No. Do I want to add another class? Class name, apply button. Let's do that. Styles. Apply button. No, I don't want it to be 100% with margin bottom. Let's just margin auto. Yeah, margin bottom 16. Let's just try that. Ooh, 100%. I don't want it 100% to be honest. No. Display block probably. Block. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I'll just have a small button here. Although, yeah, this main button, basic main button, I don't like it as well for this purpose. So let's see what other buttons I have. Primary button. Jesus, like what my naming wasn't very good at the time. Primary button. Doesn't seem to have a last name as well. No. They all look the same. Primary button, main button. Oh, I just had so many bad buttons here. Social media icon. Secondary button. Is there like a... Okay. Secondary button. Secondary button. Yeah, let's import that one. Oh, accept button. Yeah, that's how it should be. Oh. Button. Do I have to create another one? Oh shit. Because basically it doesn't look like here on the design. It should be just like a bit lighter. Is this like a... Yeah, okay, let's just make it. My light button should be this, basically. So it should be like main button, but... Should I just like... secondary button. Just so many buttons, but none of them is actually very useful. Now I'm swearing. I'm swearing on myself 6 or 7 years ago. Why did you do this? So many buttons. And why are they like? What was the difference? Why did you do this? Oh, this one is cool. Look how big this one is. Primary, fluid. Yeah, that's so much buttony stuff. Light button. I would like the light button to be light, basically. That's background 2 values here. Background 2. Oh, actually, this should do. Like, this should be okay. I think this... Yeah, so light button should be the one I want, actually. When was I using light button? Yeah, here. Light button. Yeah, I think I should like this one. Yeah, but it's not really applying this background. Maybe if my light button has a so this one, okay. Let's see background 1. I don't know how it will look. Oh, good. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. And I don't really want it to be this wide, to be honest. And not this narrow, basically, but let's just have it... let it have a padding. Padding. Can you give me some... it's like 8 pixels and 16. Will it work? Don't like it. 32 pixels. 32 pixels. I think that's good. And Actually, it should be 100% actually. No, so yeah, actually with 100%, 100% is good. Yeah, apply. Yeah, that's good. Although this text is different than here, so why is it so light text? Oh, Jesus, why did I do that? Let's remove this. Yeah, okay, so it's the same font as here, I think. Good, okay. A slight improvement of my form. Obviously, I will have to do coupon codes and stuff, but that's not implemented for now. This one, actually, I will just commit. Cart complete for now. Yeah, I think that's a nice one. And then let's just merge it to my on my GitHub. Oh, while I'm here, I can see that my build didn't work again. Let's see what was broken this time. Zoop. Can't open file. Again is directory. Okay, so there is something with my FTP setup again. And like, I was almost celebrating first time that it worked, but it didn't. Again. Still like anything here that would tell me what's wrong? Doesn't seem to be. Temporary home, work, no. Before global git config changes, no, doesn't seem to be. Yeah, let's see my again, this. Yeah. We will change the password later for it. Okay, that let them dance in the background. Okay, so this is, I'm happy with that. I will just have to merge this. Let's see what my AI figures out here. Whoa, this is a big rewrite. Oh, okay, so that maybe it's gonna use different tool here. Delete, transfer all. Okay. Maybe it will delete initial files. I don't know. Yeah, okay. Let's try this option. Just up. Well, the easiest message for Git. Stand up to Goy hate. What's this? I wanna watch it.
Let's go, Mom. We're gonna be late. Hi, Mr. Tony. Mom, what's that?
Nothing. Just get in the car. Let's go.
Who did that?
Come on. Right now. In. Get in. Right now. Let's go.
Did you paint it or something?
Move it. Seatbelt on. Right now.
Okay, okay. Let's just. That sounds. Why is this Danny Polishchuk did that? Goy. Okay, I don't really get that. I don't know what's Goy actually. Okay, this guy's quite funny, but like I don't understand that joke. Let's get back to my. I don't know why I did even go here to see one more subscriber. Good, welcome to my live streams. But okay, let's just get back to my Git and see. So basically, like I'm doing two things. I'm trying to actually get my build to work here, my build, yeah, my deployment basically. And again, it didn't really work. Or is it now? Oh, this even quicker. This blew up even quicker, which is probably better. Yeah, okay, it doesn't like this script. That's fine. Yeah, it's this one. Yeah, sometimes they are. Yeah, you can see that it doesn't see that even. I got this now. Basically, like even though AI will figure it out eventually, like normally I would just copy and paste different versions from the internet. I like, okay, keep, maybe version 2 will be better, or 2.10. Let's see FTP action. Let's see this library, what versions it's on now. Sebastian Prop, is it? Sounds Polish actually. What versions do we have now? Where do we? V2. Okay, host. Secrets FTP server, okay. Yeah, let's use V2. Check out V2. Let's just use what it has here, because maybe my actions uses. My AI seems to do stupid stuff. Name, okay, so V2. Okay, so that sounds like your releases are the good place. But is this correct? Yeah, okay, seems, at least it doesn't host user, that's fine, password, local dir. Yep. Remote dir. Yep. Options. Yeah, maybe I will fix it myself. Maybe I don't need AI in my life. Use this. I will obviously like AI sometimes. And like even when I was writing my components in here, it was quite useful in places. When I said to it, like I just wanted this behavior when we clear on blur. I just wanted on blur behavior, and it did it for me. So that was useful. Yeah, let's see now if it's gonna build. Obviously, in a minute I will have to also. Okay, let's just add environmental variables, so I don't really keep on flashing those to you. Environments, is it? Variables? Keys, deploy keys. Additional, I don't remember where we would. Maybe keys, deploy keys. So like no, that's not the one. Let's see. I had a project a while ago where I was doing this as, oh no, it didn't work again. Agents. So let's see my other projects here. Sushi, wedding, blah, blah, blah. Repositories. Pattern, market, not this one. Pixels and logic, product planner. And here, okay, let's just see GitHub workflows, deploy. Here I'm using like a environment. So I'll actually use this in my other one. Okay, so then I'll pass that here. Environment, I don't really get that. Yeah, the other one. Let's use and variables GitHub. Yes. Host. Yeah, I will replace the stuff from my hard-coded version, which is obviously evil to do it this way. And let's just have it here, as well as so here I just need to find where we keep them, because I don't remember. General runners, rules, no. Environments, no, that's not here. No. Deploy keys, no. Secrets, okay, I think it's somewhere here. Yes, here. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, let's just do this. So it's in actions, secrets, and variables. Actions. Are they variables or what? No. So actions, secrets, repository secrets. That's fine. Okay, let's just have them there for this website. Pattern market, Klarna, here. So, settings. Secrets here, actions. New repository secret. Good. Okay, so we have FTP server, do we? Keep the second part. And not this one. Yeah, this one is good. Extract might be invalid. I don't know. I hope this is correct. Okay, let's just see if this deploys. Yeah. I will change later the password, obviously. FTP host. Add secret. And let's change the password as well. And I will just do it on the other screen so you don't really see it. Here. No. FTP pass. So, where was it? Yeah, FTP pass, and yep, let's change it on the other place as well. So I have it here, and let's change it on my server at home. Yes, no? I think I closed it. .pl. So this FTP here, options, manage, and then settings, passwords. Yeah, okay, let's just check if it's correct. . And also we'll update here, so I'm sure that it's working. No, just disconnect. We don't need it here. Yeah, okay. Okay, and let's just connect with new password now. So you don't have to see it. Yes, good. So now we have it here. I'll have to update the password. So probably my build will break now. Where is it? Here. It actually worked. For the first time it worked. No, it didn't. It's still building it. Let's stop this one. Cancel workflow. Okay, and let's update the script again. Update. Yeah. Yes. Good. I hope it will actually see it, basically. Or maybe not. New window. Open recent. Pattern market. Where's my pattern mark? Product planner. Let's see here, actually. GitHub. Deploy. Maybe I will use this one, actually. This one looks like better. Although there's some Python stuff. But where is it? No, it's not using Python here. It's just a PNPM. That's for frontend, I think. Just. This one was working, basically. So that's... and this is how you should... it should actually use env. So why did it change it there? I don't really know why. And yeah, this is how it should look, I think. Don't know. I think this will be better. Don't know. Okay, yeah, later we'll see how it works. And music finished. That's a pity. We obviously like the music. We like the dancing girls and stuff. Although this one is boring. And this one I've heard like multiple times now today. I think it's... Yeah, I think it's the first one as well. Torba. Okay, so that's my shop cart is working. Let's just go on with the next tasks. So this one, cart. Okay, I think it's going to testing or maybe QA. No. Okay. That's actually for me, but I'll do it later. Me. And okay. Whoa, no, go back. Waiting for triage. I don't know what does this. Backlog. Payments. What we have it actually. This wasn't... So this design here. Okay, yeah, good. That's useful. That's useful, although we'll have to handle payments as well. That's okay, something for me, I guess. Do I want to actually, let's not take this one for now. I think product category. Let's do product category for now. Just like a bit more static pages. So we have this stuff. And that's a category of like addresses and stuff. So we'll have to do like some sort of system of, yeah, okay. Looks good. Let's just save this. Can I? Can I download? File. Download. Can I download? Just like this? Yeah, works. Good. Just a basic image. I kinda like to be able to open it locally. No, sorry. What's here? Ooh, my GitHub is sorry. My GitHub. My Gmail gets lots of updates. Oh, build failed. But yeah, this is DevOps always. Like, you know, any builds and deployments and stuff, they're quite painful often. And actually, I should have. Where are we? I think this one I should also cancel run. Did I update? What's this? Don't save it here. Okay, I had it actually on the other project, so let's just have it. Maybe it's actually secrets. Maybe not. The secrets thing is not probably correct. I think it's env. Let's see what it actually. I think it sounds like something that my GitHub might know, my AI might know. Any ideas? No, don't do this. Please, you will break it. But that's not, no, that's a, that's a stupid. I don't want to hard code this and bars. From in this file, I want it to be taken from GitHub. What are they called even? Like, oops, no. Let's just go back here, go to settings, secrets, repository secrets. Yeah, don't just define it here, it's stupid. And this password will not work because I changed it. From GitHub repository secrets. Yeah, like it's such a stupid AI. Also, this doesn't work. We tried it before. Oh, let's just remove. Like, maybe Grok is shittier. Kinda switched it to Grok for me. And it didn't work. Yeah, let's just undo these changes, these stupid changes. Grok, you try. Yeah, okay. Gemini, you try. You have an variables hard coded, but I would like to take them from repository secrets. Git before we and dot etc. On other project. On other project I have. Yeah, let's see. Maybe Grok is not so smart. I mean, it's okay for basics, and it did some good job today. But maybe I should. Secrets? You think so? Again? I'm just telling you, this won't work, you idiot. Did I say it? Okay, secrets. I have tried today and it didn't work. In what's the name of the thing? What was it? Yeah, it's like I almost have to force it on this AI. Like some stuff you're like really like it's not really that smart. Where's this thing again? Yeah, they recommend this. In docs, they recommend this. Yeah, okay. Got it. Yeah, okay, yeah, keep good. So I don't really have to copy and paste it myself. Update, deploy, again. Gemini is trying. Yeah, let's see how Germany will do, because the other one sucked. Yeah, the other one was really annoying. Let me just check my audio. Good. My audio is good again. Yeah, okay. One more try. Summary, FTP, blah blah blah. Okay, maybe this time will work. Yeah, it will take a while, so it needs to rebuild everything and now needs to generate lots of files, static files and stuff. This is a slow process. Yeah, this is like in terms of like building this project, it's way longer than I would do it manually. Like, you know, copy and paste from FTP. I might actually do it later if I fail at it too many times. But for now, I will just focus on this project. Okay, so let's say this card is fixed.
Najświętsza panienko, daj mi za męża Jasieńka kochanego.
So, no. Maybe? Yeah. So let's just add something to cart. Ooh, this is ugly. See all, but I will actually remove that one as well. This is broken. Add to cart. Images don't work. A lot of things to do. But okay, I think I took on myself the other task now, so... Już? Dasz dziadkowi, jak przyjedzie teraz? I żeby przekazał babci? Dobrze. Zapytaj mamy, ja nie wiem. Oh, is this like... Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, it works. Can I like if I add as a moderator? Manage moderator for you. Okay, that's interesting. Just testing something. No, how do I show the chat? Oh yeah, good.
Ktoś się zani, ten się zani, ja się zanić nie będę. Do mnie sami chłopcy przyjdą, choć ich prosić nie będę. Oj da, na oj da.
Oh, good. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. Just testing some stuff. So we have this backlog. It doesn't say as much, but it just needs to look like here. So we've got this category section. Okay, let's see if my build has build. Yes. Ooh. See that? Yeah, okay. Maybe the secrets? Maybe the secret to my build working is the secrets, correct? Secrets. That's actually interesting. So it seems like this is correct. This built nicely. Generate build time. Server-side renders. Yeah, this is interesting. Okay, this. Oh no! I think I have. If I expand that, no. I don't know. Basically, it's quite curious to me. basically, at least it looks more positive than before. So that's a good news, I guess. We'll see further down how it's gonna do it. It's like it's 5 minutes here on this deploy step. Maybe it's copying, but like it's not really showing that. Oh yeah, I'm copying file 1, file 2. That would be a bit more useful. But no, we'll see. To przecież do tata? A, okej. Spoko. I think it would break by now if this wouldn't work. So yeah. My hope is that it's gonna work this time. Modern videos, customized channel. What's this? Analytics, yeah, community. No? So I just need to check something. No? Where's my... This is actually almost endless now. I think that... Actually, maybe this is how it looked before. Why is my daughter so loud? Okay, I think I will be finishing for now. I have some drama at home, so... yeah. Wasn't... Oh, okay, 2 people now. Huh. So I have to finish. Thanks for coming. I will be back later. Let's see how this deployment works. See you around, guys.
Siadło dziewczyna strumieniem warkoczując.